Alright, that's
Tyrant
manageable.
Queen. Tyrant Queen? More like Bitch Queen. You don't even have to move your characters. I can do this with Jello. I can just move her 2 spaces. We're killing this fucker.
Yeah, that is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Hey, Fitzgerald, don't die instantly, please.
Yeah, Fitz bitch. If my bow breaks, I'm just gonna bring Jello and Ravioli into the corner and just taunt for a bit. While your guys can do some damage.
Okay, they all attacked you, that's good.
Yeah, that's huge.
Please don't break first cast.
That's some fat AoE damage if you can hit it. That's a lot of damage. We dodge. I used 3 focus, by the way.
Honestly, it might be worth it on Fitzgerald putting on my other weapon for now.
And just holding that one for later.
I think, yeah, because I think it does even more damage in this weapon,
Keep in mind, if you put a 2-hander on, you're going to take 2 full turns to put your shield and your sword back on. So, remember that when you're switching back.
Maybe I won't then. Maybe I'll just take the risk. I have an 84%.
Yeah, I mean, if your weapon breaks, then just switch over to 2-hander for the rest. That's what I'm going to have to do if I miss. I have to take 2 turns to get my thing going. I'm going to go shield first and just taunt instantly, though, if I have to. Big. Big.
Okay, who do you want me to hit? The one on the... Actually, probably...
Probably the one right there. The Royal Guard in the middle. I wish they gave us, like, better, like, way to know which Royal Guard's which when you say Royal Guard, you know? I have to look at all of them and it's like a suit. No,
I was pointing on my screen, but I guess that didn't really make sense. Oh, no.
Yeah.
They 2 missed? Come on.
Big. That's big. You can try to kill that guy. Nice. I'm going to get risky for 1 turn because I think it's worth it. And I'm just going to stab this guy.
Okay.
Evasion is still max on Ravioli right now. So it's okay.
Oh, I didn't even summon my clone. I forgot to.
Yeah. Also,
now I don't want to summon it.
Once the queen fight starts, we need to spread because she's going to be doing AoE. So I'll get ready to spread out with Ravioli.
I'll hit the one with... It doesn't matter. I hit this guy, I guess.
Okay, Tyler.
What?
Once we get to the queen fight, I think what we should do is just have Ravioli go off to the side and Judith kind of go on her own, and then we just sit there and I just evade you. On Fitzgerald, you just taunt.
Okay.
Because until Ravioli's weapon breaks, which it might break right now, I don't know. Until it breaks, I think it's best we have him doing as much damage as possible. And then I can use his focus afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna kill that. See, that was like the best that could have possibly gone.
Yeah, it was pretty much perfect except for 1 hit.
That 1 hit, yeah. Okay.
So, do you want me to summon the clone again?
Not until you switch weapons, I think. I think it's scary doing it with that weapon. If it does break, if that's why it did break.
Okay.
We'll use it as like when we're in a really bad spot.
I'll send Judith off with Ravioli.
Okay, cool. A little bit of evasion though, because you are probably going to get AoE'd, maybe. Although you can't if you move 1 to the left. Okay, yeah, right here you will. That's 4 focus used. And 2 of us dodge. That's huge. Oh, move. That's not a good spot to be on. Okay, big hit. Nice. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Just use 1 focus, yeah. They're guaranteed taunt for the next 5 turns. And I'll continue moving. She's gonna start spawning her shit soon. Probably on this hit. Alright. She's gonna get another attack off, but not on you. That's good.
I'm taunted.
Oh.
Yeah, it would have had to be me.
No, I'm saying they can AoE.
Oh.
I wasn't sure how big her AoE can actually get. I thought her armor and MR would be higher, to be completely honest with you. Alright, big hit maybe?
You said taunt, right?
You can taunt, yeah.
I think it's safer to
I'm just
taunt.
throwing it out there, yeah.
I do have a Ted Lotus on that guy.
Now, unfortunately, I am going to have to move with Jello. But I can still... I can go behind you and just take the poison.
I thought it broke for a second.
Taking poison, I think I'd rather take fire than poison, to be honest with you.
Are you resistant to anything? No.
Because if I take poison, my stats are going to be fucked, so I kind of think I have to do this. I have Dead Lotus, so...
Here's our armor. Oh.
That's actually kind of unlucky. Do you have anything other than that staff to use for damage that's
No.
possibly physical? Okay.
No.
I
can
well, there's
summon
no
my...
point even hitting her then.
Yeah, I don't want to summon my man.
Just hit the Chaos Beast. There's no point in hitting her right now.
With this weapon?
You can switch and you can just switch and try to... Oh, actually, Tyler, switch and try to freeze her. Just drop the, just try to hit a perfect on the AoE
freeze.
Does she? I thought she didn't. She doesn't.
98%. Okay, thank God.
Okay, that's big.
Wonder if she'll move, though.
She might. I don't know. She's never moved before. Thank God you have enough strength, or not strength, vitality to guarantee it on 1.
I mean, it's pretty high just without it, too. 91%er.
Yeah. So even if we run out, you can still try to hit them. You might end up dying soon, which is scary.
I have a Ted Lotus.
Okay. Well, after this one, you might end up having to use it. Depends on what you get hit by, because they might actually kill you right here. Oh my God. Okay.
I'm thinking I might be dead.
Just 1 evasion saves you, though, I think. Please evade. Nice. That's really good.
He's frozen.
And then... Oh my God, thank God. Okay, you definitely want to pop that. Nice, okay. Remember, she's going to one-shot somebody here, so I think I actually need to take the hit with Ravioli because I'm the only one with Sanctum. So let's hope that Ravioli can do enough to pop her the last thing. Or, Tyler, maybe I Dead Lotus on Ravioli and try...
I lost vitality, by the way.
Oh, that sucks. That's okay, though. It's not the end of the world.
I gotta go for it.
Yeah.
I will have no stuff for next turn, though.
Oh, that's unlucky. Okay. If you're gonna
that's
hit
about
him,
on average. I would say, like, odd-wise, that it would break then.
Yeah. Okay, that's big. Let's hope that if you hit and it does the one shot thing, that it doesn't actually full one shot you, because it did my actual max, or basically on my max life on Ravioli last time, but you have way more life on Judith. Nice. Nice.
All right, Judith.
Just blast. Boom, bitch. Okay, how much is this going to hit for? Oh, she targeted me. That little fucker, dude.
I get this random.
Oh my god, thank god. She really tried to cheese me right there. I think I have high evasion.
You want me to attack with this guy?
I think you just try to kill her, yeah. Just try to kill her. Big. Okay, okay. Dragon Spear. Wait, do I need 2 to guarantee? I need 1. That's big.
Oh, we can do this.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
Stab her with Jello. Wait,
Jello.
I don't know if you have a better weapon, but
Can I do I have 2? Okay.
I guess it has armor piercing, so it's almost like it does an extra 9 damage.
I have this.
The pierce.
Bash.
Oh, big roll.
That's a lot of. What? What? Why? She can dodge.
Fitzgerald's dead. Oh wait, no.
It's okay. He's got reflection.
Oh no, I just dodged that.
That was. How the fuck did you? Oh, you still have 50 evasion. Oh my god. That shit hurt. Jello, don't die. Everyone's got to live. Okay, Tyler. And
I'll do it.
Oh my god. Wait. Please tell me that's the end of the game. Don't make me fight another fucking version of her.
It would be kind of cool if she had a transformation. Oh, we gotta get these guys.
No. Okay. That's unlucky.
Don't play this hype music. We're not done.
Yeah, we're not at all. They're making me go crazy right now.
I think we just have to try and hit them. Yeah, big. Oh, nice.
Huge.
Please don't hit Judith.
Oh no.
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay.
But if that guy hits me, I'm dead.
Judith. Okay.
Fitzgerald's
That could
dead.
be worse. Fitzgerald dies.
It is best.
He did his job, and that's
wait.
what it is.
I used the shattered mirror.
Okay, do it.
Please
If
don't
the
break
game
my
breaks,
game.
I am going to cry. I hope you know that.
I can summon it anywhere, I think.
Wait, you have poison. Are they gonna have the same stats as you? Use your nibbler if you need to, but
I can't summon this thing.
wait, Tyler.
What?
I can try to taunt on Ravioli, so you don't have to waste it. You just have to move over, or you don't actually have to move over. You're fine because it just hits me. So you can try to hit them with a normal attack this turn, because your weapon is probably going to break you like a 70% chance.
88. I just drank my thing.
88 now. Okay, that's big. I have an idea though.
Honestly, maybe just kill it.
Do I want to lose Judith though?
That's if they attack.
I can. If I hit with Jello, I kill, but I have to actually hit.
You can't kill with Ravioli?
I could, but then I can't taunt, I'm saying.
I know, but I think we take the risk because you have a sanctum still.
Too,
and
a sanctum, yeah. It's gonna.
Or
alright, Jello, this might be your last turn, buddy. Do your job. Please target me.
Oh, that was the best target. Oh, beautiful.
Big dodge. Okay.
Don't break on me now.
Kill that motherfucker. Oh, Ravioli's getting the last hit, baby. What?
No,
Okay,
Jello.
Jello's
It was
getting the
meant to
last hit,
be.
baby. It was
The
meant to be.
burning the entire game.
To be honest, I think Jello was
Oh my
actually the most
god.
useful character the entire game. That
She
evasion though
carried us towards
was
the end,
yeah.
yeah.
26 lore. There you go.
Why? Thanks.
Because you're the one recording. You got to hit take on that. We
It
did
took
it.
us 16 minutes.
16 minutes in that one run, right?
Yeah.
Because we've been going since 11. It's been an hour. Whoa. She's good again?
This is you,
Imagine
by
that
the
was
way.
the last playable character right there. Yeah.
It's
Also,
done.
she was taken
It's
over by the
over.
chaos. What happened, Eldebrand? I can feel a fog in my mind lifting and I'm overwhelmed by despair. The whole imprisonment and enslavement business left a bit of a, shall we say, lasting impression. Wow, she was enslaving. Okay, buddy. Oh, look, it's Bog Drinker.
Where? Oh, yeah.
You understand if we hold on to the scepter for that time? I see.
I'm sure we'll turn up.
So for the King 2 DLC right there. I hope that we get some good stuff from that. And earn all the favors from Faul's denizens. I didn't even know that was a thing. We did it. We did in 34 rounds.
Yeah, because we played the
didn't
game
mean
for
to.
34, and then all of a sudden we were just in the end of the game for the last 4 hours.
Yeah.
Fitzgerald, it's okay, buddy.
Nice. Look at the damage. Jello had like 0 damage, but they were the support.
I killed 44. Oh no, it's damaged.
Dude,
51
Judith's
kills.
damage
Our
is
kills are
actually
so
nuts.
low. Because
we had to fight a million fucking massive enemies. I mean, to be fair though, 34 turns killing this many, it's not bad.
Oh, cutscene? Oh no. Game.
Cutscene. I was gonna say there's a cutscene. We did it. Only 1.5% of players have beat this campaign.
The character art by Daniel Pejic.
That's 1.5% of players, by the way, on any difficulty. Now, if you go to the master difficulty, I think it was 0.1.
Oh, there's a cutscene at the end.
Oh, really? I'm still loading.
I think it was a DLC teaser.
Nice. I'm just stuck loading.
I think my favorite act was the Hangman's Noose with all the ships and stuff.
Yeah. I don't think my game's ever loading, bro.